Hello everyone! Once again, welcome to Bright Lab Tutorials. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button to keep you updated on my tutorials. Today, we'll be learning about multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Since variables represent numbers, the rule for rational expression are the same as those for fractions. This includes processes like canceling common factors and simplifying the calculation. For our first example, 9x squared plus 18 over x plus 2 multiplied by 1 over x minus 2. First, let's factor the numerator here. So let's see what is the common factor. So common factor is 9x. So let's bring out 9x. And then 9x squared divided by 9x is simply x plus 18x divided by 9x is 2 over x plus 2 times 1 over x minus 2. Now, since x plus 2 is common in the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel this, leaving us with just 9x, and we have to multiply it with 1 over x minus 2. So our answer will be 9x over x minus 2. For our next example, 7y squared minus 28y over y minus 4 times 1 over 5y squared. First, let's look at the numerator. We can see that they have a common factor of 7y. So let's bring out 7y out. And we divide 7y squared divided by 7y gives us y minus 28y divided by 7y gives us 4 over y minus 4 times this term 1 over 5y squared. Okay, you notice that we can cancel this, leaving us with just 1 and 1. Okay, and also y. Okay, remember your laws of exponent. If there's no exponent here, it's understood that this is 1. And we can cancel that out and this 1. Leaving us with just 7 times 1 is 7 over 1 times 5y, simply 5y. For our next example, 1 over x minus 4 times x squared minus 7x plus 12 over x plus 3. The first one is already a prime term, so let's try to factor the numerator here. Let's just copy the first term and then factor the numerator. Factors of x squared is x and x. Factors of 12, that will give us negative 7, is negative 4 and negative 3. Okay, over x plus 3. You notice that we can cancel x minus 4 and x minus 4 here on the other side, leaving us with just x minus 3 over x plus 3. Okay, next example, 7 over x squared plus 5x plus 4 times x squared plus 8x plus 7 over x plus 7. So first, let's factor the denominator here. So let's copy the numerator and factor this trinomial. So factors of x squared is simply x and x. Factors of 4 will be 4 and 1. Positive 4 and positive 1. Multiply by, okay, let's factor this also. Factors of x squared will be x and x. And factors of 7, that will give us 8 as sum, will be plus 7 and plus 1 over x plus 7. Okay, we can cancel this one and this one below. And also x plus 1 here on this side and this one in the numerator. So leaving us with just 7 over x plus 4. Now this time, let's go to division. Recall that in division of fraction, if we have, for example, 3 over 4 divided by 1/2, we simply get the reciprocal of this fraction over here and change the operation to multiplication. So this one will be 3 over 4 times, get the reciprocal of 1/2, that's 2 over 1. And simply proceed with the multiplication. We're going to apply this method also with rational expressions. So for the given, m minus 4 over 3m squared minus 24m divided by m minus 4 over m minus 6. Okay, let's get the reciprocal of this term over here and change the operation to multiplication. Okay, get the factors of the common factor of the denominator, which is 3m. Let's simply bring this one out. 3m squared divided by 3m is simply m, minus 24m divided by 3m is 8, times the reciprocal of m minus 6 over m minus 4. Next, let's cancel what's common to both. Okay, we can cancel m minus 4 and this one here, leaving us with just m minus 6 in the numerator over 3m times m minus 8. Another example, x minus 6 divided by x squared minus 9x plus 18 over 3. Okay, notice the first term is a whole number. So let's make this, let's get the denominator of a whole number, which is 1. Okay, and then we're going to get the reciprocal of this one and change the operation to multiplication. So we have x minus 6 over 1 times 3 over, let's get the factors of the trinomial. So factors of x squared is x and x. Factors of 18 that will give you negative 9 as sum would be negative 6 and negative 3. Okay, you notice that negative 6 here can be cancelled with this one below, leaving us with just simply 3 over x minus 3. For our next example, it's a combination of multiplication and division. So first, let's factor this first term here. Let's look at the numerator. Okay, factors of x squared is simply x and x. Factors of negative 2 that will give us a positive 1 is simply negative 1 and positive 2 over the factors of the denominator. Factors of x squared is x and x. Factors of 6, positive 6 that will give us a negative 7x will be negative 1 and negative 6. Okay, next, let's copy the second term, which is x minus 6 over 3. And then we get the reciprocal of this one because that is division. So we'll change the operation to multiplication and get the reciprocal, so that will be 15 over x plus 2. Now, let's try to cancel to simplify the expression. X minus 1 cancels with x minus 1 below. X minus 6 here cancels with this one up there. And then x plus 2 here cancels with x plus 2 here. 15 can also be divided by 3. So this one, if we divide this by 3, will give us 1. And 15 divided by 3 will just give us 5. Okay? So our final answer will simply be 5. Remember that in rational expression, the concept of multiplication and division in ordinary fraction is still applied in here. I hope these exercises help you understand this concept better. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching!